Filippo Tortu is an Italian sprinter with a personal best in the 100 meters of 9.99 seconds. The first Italian in industry to break the 10 seconds barrier. He was born on June 15, 1998 in Milan, Italy. At the Tokyo 2020 Summer Olympics, Tortu competed in the men's 100 meter. He reached the semi-final but did not qualify for the finals. Tortu also ran the anchor leg in the 4x100 relay final, coming from behind to pip the GB team by 1/100th of a second, running his leg with only 8.845 seconds and winning a historic gold. Born in Milan but with Sardinian origins, he began to play sports at the age of 8 years, dividing his time between track and field and basketball. In 2010 and 2011, he won the title of fastest runner in Milan while competing in the categories Prima Media and Seconda Media. He then started to dedicate himself entirely to track and field, coached by his father. In 2013, he won the 80 meters in the Italian Championships in Jesolo with a time of 9.09 seconds. In 2016, he broke the Italian junior record of 100 meters in Savannah, twice obtaining a time of 10.24 seconds. This record had been unbeaten for 34 years and was held by Pier Francesco Pavoni, who ran the distance in 10.25 seconds at the 1982 European Championships. A month later, he landed his first Italian title in Rieti, winning the final of 100 meters in 10.32 seconds. He took part in the European Championships in Amsterdam, where he qualified for the semi-finals by winning with a time of 10.19 seconds, which was a new Italian junior record. He participated at the World Under-20 Championships in Bydgoszcz, where he won the silver medal in 100 meters with 10.24 seconds behind the American Noah Lyles. In the same championship, he participated in the 4x100 relay where they finished 7th. He finished third at the 2014 trials for the European Youth Olympic Games, although he did not qualify. He did, however, qualify for the 200 meters, but in the preliminary race for the Youth Olympics he fell at the finish line. He broke both arms and as a result was not able to compete in the finals. In 2015, he broke the Italian youth record in the 100 meters with a time of 10.33 seconds as well as in the 200 meters with a time of 20.92 seconds.